welcome back to our channel. Today I'm sharing how I transformed the Dollar Tree wood doorknob hanger into a cute doorknob hanger for a couple of my grandkids. Kids love to see their names on things, and what better way than to have their name and favorite things on this doorknob hanger. If you like to craft and DIY, make sure you're subscribed and give this video a big thumbs up. In this DIY, I'm using the wood doorknob hanger from Dollar Tree. I have picked up some Clemson Tiger Paws stickers from Walmart. Also from Walmart, I have picked up the Apple Barrel Outrageous Orange color and the Purple Velvet Apple Barrel. I got the wood letters from Walmart. They're a lot smaller actually than the wood letters from Dollar Tree. You can use the ones from Dollar Tree. I have done that in a previous doorknob hanger that I made. They were just too big for this one. I got a little football from Hobby Lobby a while back. I picked up the Main Street Wall Creations Sports wall decals from Dollar Tree, but since I've got it in here, I'm not going to be using it because it's about going to take up all my space if I did, so I will not be using that today. And then I just have some sandpaper because I need to sandpaper off the sparkly on here, and my paint brushes, and I have the sponge dabblers. So let's get started and make us a door hanger. That's one coat. I'm going to let it dry and come back and do a second coat. Now I'm going to add the second coat of paint. This may take 3 coats of paint. While I'm waiting on the board to dry, I'm going to go ahead and paint all my wood letters. And let those be drying. Now I'm going to use my sponge dabblers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use, there's 3 in there, I'm going to use the medium sized one, and I'm just going to dabble the circles on. You can still see some of the indentation where it indented like the little tree there, but that's really not going to matter. I wanted to do it on this side that the print was on, because on the other side it doesn't hang on the door as well. So now I'm just going to dabble on the purple color. See, it did like that. So I'm probably going to go over this a few times. I'm going to take my smaller one now and put some up at the top of the hanger. And now I'm just going to go back over it when this dries. I wanted to give my little circles some like little tiger paw prints, I could not find any of my paintbrushes. I don't know where I misplaced them, or usually keep everything pretty organized, or if I have just ran out of them. So when you're crafting, you got to come up with another solution, and I just got a hot glue stick out, and I'm just dabbing it into the paint, and I am just going on here and dabbing the little paw prints on. I thought the purple letters needed a little more to it to make them pop out a little more. So now I'm just going along with a toothpick, and I am just dabbing on some of the orange paint. And I'm going to do each one like that, and I will show it to you when I'm finished. I went ahead off camera and placed the little paw stickers on, and I did not have enough, so I will be going back to Walmart to purchase enough to fill in each little print. And now I'm going to take the super glue I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue all the letters on. I'm just going to line all my letters up right on the edge here. I didn't know exactly where I wanted to place this with the way the football is shaped, because I didn't want to cover a lot up. So I'm just going to kind of go a little catty corner right here, and I'm going to leave it to hang over the side. I'm just going to use the crazy glue as well. I do normally use E6000, so you could use every what you have on hand that would hold it down. But I've ran out of E6000s a few projects ago, and I just haven't returned to Walmart to pick any more up. Then I'm just going to put that right there. And we have it done. I have so much glare, I wanted to hold it up for you. And I will go over this with Mod Podge once I get the stickers for my other two little paw prints. And my grandson's name is Brendan, and he just loves the South Carolina Clemson Tigers. So I hope he will like this. His birthday is coming up July 7th, so I will be giving it to him then. And this is how the Clemson Tiger doorknob hanger from Dollar Tree turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like to craft and DIY and you like to watch Dollar Tree hauls, please subscribe to our channel. Please give us a big thumbs up. I want to say thank you so much to all of our subscribers. Hope everyone has a great day. And until next time, bye.